Alright everybody, I'm here underneath the old Jeeparoonie, and this is what the tranny looks like with the pan off. You can see up in there, there's a little gunk in the filter. This is a filter that sits on the bottom here, and that's what we're gonna change out. There's two little bolt holes right there, and I think they take a Torx bit up in there. I'm not for sure, but we're gonna find out. But the tranny overall looks pretty decent. I mean, there was some gunk obviously in the old tranny pan, but we got that all cleaned out. So we're going to replace this filter real quick and throw a new one in it, and drop some tranny fluid in it, and then the real test of this vehicle is going to begin. If that tranny's bad and we have some issues, I'm probably going to take it to the junkyard. But if that transmission works good, then we're going to continue here, and we're going to see what kind of machine we can come up with. So, alright, well, I'm going to come back when we get that all put together and see how she goes.
So currently Dad's up underneath of the Jeep, putting the transmission pan back on there. We're just kind of hanging out here.
We got all the bolts started.
We ended up losing one, so I had to run over to O'Reilly's to get another one of the bolts. Yeah, it's coming along. We're almost done now with the transmission fluid change. And we are moving. It doesn't sound the best, but I think that transmission fluid really just needs to get circulated through there. Dad seems to be pretty happy with it, and he's driving off into the grass. No, only the dog, because she's just being dumb. Freaking weirdo. A whole bunch of water's coming off of the tarps. I don't know why we didn't take tarps off before he started driving it around, but it's fine. I think she's doing pretty good though. What do you think? Sounds good?
Yeah, let's see where that nothing's coming from.
Yeah. Well, it's not really doing it as bad now.
Yeah, I think our oil is helping.
Yeah.
That's all right. Yeah, we'll put a little seafoam or a little something else in the oil. I think to get the. I think there's a lifter that was stuck. But it sounds a lot better now.
Yeah. I love this selfie mode.
A little elbow grease, and we'll have us a runner.